The BJP earlier today has expelled two of its MLAs, and these are S.T. Somashekar and Shivaram Hebalkar. Both were part of the rebel group that, remember, switched to the BJP, brought down the coalition government earlier in 2019. They've been expelled for 6 years for anti-party activities. They've been spotted various times, also at Congress-led events. They've backed the Congress party also on many occasions. How significant is this and what really are the charges? Deepak is getting us those details.
Many, of course, who are familiar with what has been happening politically in the state of Karnataka would know S.T. Somashekar and, the Shivaram Hebbal, along with several other legislators, had switched to the BJP back in the year 2019 when they brought down the Congress and JDS coalition. Yediyurappa, of course, took oath as the chief minister then. After that, of course, Mr. Hebbal and Somashekar, of course, enjoyed quite a number of privileges of being in the BJP. But in the recent past, over the last couple of years, we've seen, some statements that have come in from the leaders, which have not been the same line that the BJP has told. We've seen them take the line of the Congress party, attend multiple events. Somewhere there has been, a lot of question marks raised about how the BJP has allowed this to continue. Now it seems like they have finally decided to take action. We've had that order copy as well, where the BJP High Command has decided that for 6 years they're going to be, of course, expelling, Mr. Shivaram Hebbal, S.T. Somashekar as well. Action being initiated. They've said that they've, despite repeated warnings, they have not really adhered to party discipline, and that's why this action is being initiated against them. As of now, we're yet to hear from these two legislators who could expect, of course, to cry foul, and a host of other reactions could come in from both the BJP and the Congress combined here.